Oh, it's smoking. Oh, it's burning. Oh, it's on fire. Should we blow it out? All right, we put it out.
But what happened in my truck?
Well, he had to get rid of the explosives. Is it still working? Oh, it still works. Still working. Ah.
It's so much hot.
Yeah, it's probably a little hot. You gotta be careful. Gotta let it cool down for a little bit. But it's a Tonka truck. It's really strong.
I go in the sky.
You like the ones that go in the sky? Yeah. He's doing flips.
Oh no!
Oh. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, he got on the tire. Oh, it's your side wheel.
That one rolls really good in there, huh? Oh, he's gonna go in the hole. Oh! Oh, he's climbing out. Oh, he did a flip.
Oh,
Oh, awesome. Oh.
I fell in too. When we slid far, I'm going to come back in that hole. Ah! He got out the crack.
Oh, he's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Oh, so close. You got something in your boot? Is there something in your boot?
Yes.
Here, hold on to me. Let's give you your boot. Let's get it out of there. What's in there? Hey, hey, hey. Put your foot back in there.
What was that?
I don't know. Is it better?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, miss. Oh, is he gonna make it? He's going, he's going. Oh!
He's not going to make it. Think he's going to come back to it.
Huh?
Maybe he's going to. Think it's not. Ah! He crashed. Big crash going.
Oh, he's doing a wheelie.
He did it! He did it!
Whoa, whoa.
Donut!
He's doing donuts? Is he making tracks in the dirt? That's cool. Big jump.